Hello and welcome back. This is Christopher Aaron, founder of iGold Advisor. This is going to be a silver breakout update. We are right in the midst of it right now. It is happening in front of our eyes. This is the moment that many of you have waited for a number of years. So let's really pay attention to what is happening here in silver. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when these videos come out on YouTube. Otherwise, you will miss something. If you would like to give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much for your help with that. Last but not least, guys, sometimes during the middle of the week, I don't have a chance to post a full video, but I will sometimes post for free on my Twitter or X feed at iGlobalGold. So you should subscribe to that for free for quicker updates. All right, let's get into the silver breakout update. So when we were last talking about this chart, we were talking about this right here, the breakout of this $30 level, this resistance that went all the way back to 2020. It is looking very good. Not only very good, this is looking like it's the best that we could ask for right now. I want to remind you of the big picture, then we'll zoom it in and look at the short term, what has just happened here over the last week. Remember, this is the last time that we saw one of these multi-year horizontal breakouts that we've just seen. Look at how quickly silver went 50% higher in less than 2 months after this breakout. We're going to come back to that. Remember that percentage gain there. And let's talk about what we have now as far as an official target. Remember, we do have an amplitude-derived target of $42.50. And then we also have what is going to end up being a psychological pull in silver toward the $50 level, this former 2011 peak. And so in sum, what we are going to have here is a target range between $42.50 up through and including the $50 level for this move that is now underway. Now, last time when we were talking, we were discussing how this breakout was going to unfold, and what I was expecting was a retest of the breakout point before this market continues higher toward our target zone up here. And so let's zoom it in here on the red shaded area. Take a look at this. You want to talk about picture perfect price behavior right here. Look, there's the breakout. Okay, that's that red circle over here. We're just zoomed in. There's the breakout. Initial surge. Boom. Look at that. Retest just 4 days ago. Picture perfect. Look at what the level that the retest came to. $30.04. You could not ask for a better technical situation that we have just seen right here. And now this market is powering higher again. It's getting ready to flirt with these highs from 2 weeks ago, the 32.50 level. And when it breaks 32.50, the next semblance of resistance is going to be up here around the 35 level. We can look at these former swing peaks back from 2011 and 2012. But I have to tell you, I don't think these levels are going to hold silver back for very long. If you look at, the former swing peaks back here from 2016, notice how once silver broke this 4-year horizontal consolidation, it didn't even pause at this former level. It didn't pause at any of these former levels on the way higher. I think now that we're in this breakout here, I don't think silver is going to pause very long at this $35 level. I think we've seen the first pause right here at $32.50, and then it's going to be powering higher rapidly. How rapidly? I want to show you something else. Let's take a look at this breakout that happened back in 2010. Some of you may be too young to remember this, so I want to tell you I lived through this one personally. Let's zoom it in here. There's the breakout right there. and look at this. Look at what silver did after it broke above this $19.47 level, this multi-year horizontal breakout, very similar to what we've just seen in here. Look at this. Silver rose by 155% in just 8 months following the breakout. Remember, 100% is a double. So 155% is more than a double and a half in just 8 months. Not only that, but look, there was only one single multi-week pullback in the entire surge. Other than that, it was pretty much straight higher week after week after week after week, a 3-week pullback, and then week after week after week after week again, all the way up to the $50 level. So remember, this breakout started at 1945, okay, back here in 2010. If you think how powerful was the breakout back here in 2010, 155% in 8 months, you better believe that it is quite realistic that this time, breaking out from 30, silver could easily gain 65% in just 4 to 6 months. And that would pull it back into this $50 zone again. The breakout is starting from a higher level this time than it did back in 2010. So absolutely, this could move up to our target level here within the next 4 to 6 months. If you are not prepared for this move in silver, you basically don't have very much time left at all to get ready for this. I want to let you know about the services that we offer. Precious Metals Intelligence Plus is the service where we are going to be making one final open market silver pick that is coming to our Precious Metals Intelligence Plus subscribers within the next couple of weeks here. There are many of these companies that are still trading for pennies on the dollar where they should be right now, and that's all because the average investor is nowhere near this market. Think about it. Think about the people that you work with. Think about the people at the gym or the coffee shop or the bar down the street. Are they all talking about silver, about this breakout now? I would dare to venture to say that very few people are aware of this breakout right now in silver. And so there are still some tremendous bargains in the silver mining space right now. And we will be making our new pick in the service Precious Metals Intelligence Plus within the next several weeks. So you do not want to miss that. If you are a higher net worth investor, you have to understand that when we invest in these private placements, we buy similar companies that we're buying here in Precious Metals Intelligence Plus, but we get nearly twice the upside for the same amount of risk. And the reason that we're able to get nearly twice the upside is because we receive free, yes, free warrants with every single investment that we are making. And you do not get the warrants if you're buying in the open market. And the reason the companies give you the warrants for free is because you have to invest a minimum amount. And if you can do that, the minimum is typically $7,000 US. If you can invest $7,000 at a time, you will receive the better terms here in the private placements. And I want to let you know I am currently in the negotiation phase for our next silver placement. So you do not want to miss this if you are a higher net worth investor. If you would like to sit down with myself, Christopher Aaron, and discuss your portfolio, your situation, your silver holdings, when are good times to take profits off the table? What do I expect for your silver mining picks from this surge that is now happening? It's literally happening, guys. This is no longer hypothetical. It is in front of us right now. I think by the time we're talking several weeks from now, we could be above 35, clawing our way up to 37 and 40. And from there, it's only a hop or a skip right up to that $50 level. You do not have very much time to finalize your portfolio here. If you would like to reach me, make sure to book a consultation right on the tab on our website. So the retest here for silver has been picture perfect thus far. Everything is looking as good as we could ask for here. And now it's time to finalize holdings in silver and sit back and enjoy this move.